everybody. My name is Peter Shergun, also known as G.P.S. So today I'm going to be using this platform to solve the simultaneous equation which involve the shortcut method. So I want you to follow on as we calculate chocolate calculator in this journey. So the first thing I'm going to do on this platform is to label it, the equation 1 and the equation 2. The question says 5x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 6, which is the equation 2. So let's SOLUCUM. For those people that don't know the meaning of SOLUCUM, SOLUCUM means solve out lucid composite question using mathematics. So how do we deal with this? The first thing you're going to do is to rewrite your question to be 5x plus 3y equals to 11. And the second one to be 2x minus 4y equals to minus 6. Now to deal with this using the shortcut method, now you must understand what is meant by coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient is any number standing beside another or any letter standing beside another. So if we have 3y, the coefficient of y is 3 and the coefficient of 3 is y. So take note of what coefficient is. So the first and foremost thing you're going to do is to put a square like this in this place and also in this place. So the first thing we can actually look for is the value of x. So we write x equals to, what is the coefficient of y? Yeah, it is plus 3. So you do plus 3 times minus 6. That is plus 3 times minus 6. Put it in a bracket, minus. The next thing is for you to come to the coefficient of y in equation 2. And the coefficient of y here is minus 4. So minus 4 times 11. That will be minus 4 times 11. All over. The next thing is for you to come here. What's the coefficient of x here? That is 2. Then 2 times the coefficient of y here, which is 3. That is 2 times 3. Then minus. Take note, minus is always at the middle of both. Now the next thing you do is this. So what is the coefficient of y here? That's minus 4. So minus 4 times 5 will give us minus 4 times 5. So we have x equals to, what is plus 3 times minus 6? That will give us minus 18. Then minus in bracket of minus 4 times 11 will give us minus 44. Close the bracket, all over. 2 times 3 will give us a 6. Then minus in bracket of minus 4 times 5 will give us minus 20. So what do? X equals to minus 18 plus 44 all over 6 plus 20. So what do you do with that? Come to this place and write your 44 minus 18. Then you borrow 1 from here. If you borrow 1 from here, this will be left with a 6. So what do we have? And this will be left with 3. 3 minus 1 will give us a 2. So we have what is meant by a 26 here. So if this is 26, don't forget that the smaller one is carrying a minus and the bigger one is carrying a plus. So that means it will be x equals to 26. And 6 plus 20 will give us what? 26. So according to mathematics, 1, 1. Therefore, our x equals to 1. We need to get the value of y2. So you can pick any of the equation of your choice. So I would love to pick equation 2. Equation 2 says 2x minus 4y equals to minus 6. Then our x is now what? 1. Take note of what I'm trying to say. There is something we call substitution, the act of replacing. So we have 2. Instead of writing x here, I write 1 because x has become 1. Minus 4y equals to minus 6. Then 2 times 1 will give us a 2. Minus 4y equals to minus 6. Then your 2 can be carried to the other side. Now take note. I define equal to as an engine that has the ability to change the sign that crosses over it. So when you see a 2 here as an invisible plus when it crosses this equal to as an engine that has the ability to change any sign. So this is a plus, going to the other side will become a minus. So it becomes minus 4y equals to minus 6 minus 2. That will give us minus 4y equals to minus 8. Divide both sides by minus 4, minus 4. This cancels this. Then y equals to, this cancels this. 4 here 1, 4 here 2. Therefore, our x equals to 1, our y equals to 2. So I want you to solve this and drop it in the comment box. 6x minus 5y equals to 2. 3x plus 4y equals to 14. And also, I want you to watch out for the next video coming up. I'm going to teach you how to solve simultaneous equation using G.P.S method. Make sure you subscribe if you are new in this platform, and also give us a thumb to show that you really understand this topic. Thank you. And also share the link. Let your friends and your neighbor be part of it. Thank you.